Cock-a-doodle-doo, the cow says moo. Her berries turned out purple, and I wouldn't trust someone with that long of a neck. How now, brown cow? You're a cheeseburger with extra pickles, aren't you? I would put an egg on top of that, I can tell you. E-F-A-R-E-S-O-N-G song. Song, C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-G song. Song. Well, on Tuesdays, kayaks are probably green, but then shovels could turn into antelopes, and you never know what's going to happen when the antelopes start running down the streets of New York City. Anyway, if John sees my sister at church on Friday, there's gonna be a big problem. Make sure you bring your possums. I heard Joanne also had a pony, but her berries turned out purple, and I wouldn't trust someone with that long of a neck. Do you think I am pretty? Gas bubbles. Antelopes are my favorite vegetable, but medium well. Well, you know what they say, kebabs can go underwater, on the street, or up in the mountain. Either way, tomorrow is just like yesterday's fart. Don't forget, they are watching us.